Ndeewo Umuaka kedu. I'm Obiokbala. I'm going to eba na the Supu project. So my name is Obiokbala and I'm your Igbo language teacher here at the Supu project. Tata, kanyi mo ekele n'Igbo. Let's learn the greetings in Igbo language. So, how do we say welcome in Igbo? Welcome, bo. Nnoo. Nnoo. Welcome. Kemaka, what about hello in Igbo? Hello, bo. Ndeewo. Ndeewo. Hello, bo. Ndeewo in Igbo. Kemaka, what about good morning? Oh, this is an interesting one. So, good morning, bo. Ibolachi. Try. Ibolachi. You can also say Isalachi. Isalachi. Or Itetagola. Itetagola. So all these greetings are actually ways of saying, have you woken up well this morning? That's how we say good morning in Igbo. Ibolachi, Isalachi, Itetagola, or Iputagola. Some people might say, Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is actually a direct translation from English to Igbo language. Ụtụtụ, morning. Ọma, good. So it's just saying good morning. That's all. Kemaka, good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon and good evening in Igbo is Ndeewo. Basically saying hello, Ndeewo. Kemaka, well done in Igbo. Well done, bo. Jisie. Jisie. Or Daalụ ọrụ. Daalụ ọrụ. Kemaka, what about safe journey in Igbo? Safe journey, bo. Ijeoma. Ijeoma. Ijeoma, bo. Safe journey. Kemaka, what about good night in Igbo? Good night, bo. Kachifo. Kachifo. Thank you, Igbo. Thank you, bo. Daalụ. Daalụ. Or Imeela. Imeela. Oh, what about please in Igbo? Please, bo. Biko. Biko. And finally, Kemaka, bye. Goodbye or bye, bo. Kodi. Kodi. Or Komesia. Komesia. This basically means till next time. You could also say Kodi Mbozo. This is a longer form of Kodi. Kodi Mbozo. Till next time. Children, Umuaka, I'm sure you've learned some very good greetings today. I would like you to send me an email at umuaka@thesuperproject.com listing 5 greetings you have learned from today's video. You're not just listing them, you should also practice them at home. So remember to send me an email, umuaka@thesuperproject.com listing 5 Igbo greetings you have learned from today's video, and you will get a response. Until next time, Cardinal.